we, the students of Asansol Engineering College, has made a project on accidental prevention and reporting system. This is Shrestha Thakur from CSE Department 3rd year.
This is Harish Kumar Sharma, CSE Department 3rd year.
This is Subham Das, CSE Department 3rd year.
This is Supriya Mandal, CSE Department 3rd year.
And we are the group members of this project. Accidents is also increasing day by day. As a citizen, it's our duty to control that. The project deals with prevention of accidents by sending message to your nearest family member by the help of a smartphone-based accident detection and notification system, which will track the accident with the help of a deployed impact sensor, will process the data through microcontroller unit.
Arduino Uno, which is based on a removable dual inline package. The board is equipped with a set of digital and analog input-output pins. L298N motor driver. The L298N motor driver is a dual H-bridge circuit and can be used with Arduino for DC motor control. H-bridge integrated circuit allow you to drive a DC motor forward, backward, left and right. BW motors. These commuters are attached to the rotating coil, one to each end. Current passes from commutator into the coil placed in between the poles of permanent magnet stator. When current moves in the coil, the magnetic field is induced around the coil.
Bluetooth module HC05. HC05 Bluetooth module is an easy-to-use Bluetooth serial port protocol module designed for transparent wireless serial connection setup. It's communication which makes an easy way to interface with controller. Arduino Uno. Arduino is an open source hardware and software project created with simple aims in mind to be as simple as possible. 16:2 LCD display. It displays the current situation of the car, whether a car met with an accident or not, with detailed information. GSM module. After the detection of the location using the GPS, information is finally sent to the pre-mentioned emergency number by the help of GSM module. There is an ASIM in this module. GPS module. A GPS navigation device is capable of receiving information from GPS satellites and then to calculate the device's geographical position.
Accelerometer ADXL335. The accelerometer measures proper acceleration, being the acceleration of a body in its own instantaneous rest frame. Is not the same as coordinate acceleration, being the acceleration in a fixed coordinate system. As you can see, the car met with an accident and a message has been sent to the family member of the respective person. The date, time and the location has also been shown by the GPS. As you can see, when the link is being clicked, the location of the person can be seen by the family member. Century, with the continuous advancement in science and technology, more emphasis is given for vehicle safety. Finally, on performing all the required procedures our team is able to implement the project. Unfortunately, if accident happens to take place, the system detects it and with the help of GPS exact location can be pointed and informed to emergency unit using GSM module, which will help to save many lives by informing the rescue team. Overall, the project is affordable, targets common people and easily implemented in all types of vehicles.
We are grateful to Asansol Engineering College and Hardware Club for giving us this great opportunity to work on this project.
Thank you.